friends, welcome back to Math Defined. In this lesson, we're adding rational numbers. So we'll be working with fractions, decimals, and a real-life example too. And the good news is we're going to use the same sign rules that you've already learned from a previous video. So let's jump in with some fractions. Let's start with -5/9 plus +2/9. The first thing to look at are the signs. In this problem, the signs are different, so this is going to be a subtraction problem. Then check the denominators. They're both 9, so that means I don't need to rewrite the fractions. And that makes this one easier. I can go straight to the numerators to subtract and simplify. 5 minus 2 is 3, so that gives me 3/9. And that simplifies to 1/3. The last step is to determine the sign. The absolute value of -5/9 is greater than 2/9, so the sign is -1/3. Now let's look at one where the denominators are different. +3/4 plus -1/6. Again, the signs are different, so I know I'm going to subtract. But before I can do that, I have to deal with the denominators. I have 4ths and 6ths, so I need a common denominator. Let's rewrite the fractions using a common denominator of 12. 3/4 becomes 9/12, and -1/6 becomes -2/12. Now that the denominators match, I can subtract the numerators. 9 minus 2 gives me 7, resulting in 7/12. But the last step is to determine the sign. The absolute value of -2/12 is less than +9/12, so our answer is +7/12. Now let's switch to decimals. -2 5/10 plus -1 25/100. Both numbers are negative, so when the signs are the same, I know I'm going to add and keep the sign. Adding an extra 0 to 2 5/10 keeps the decimals in line while we add, and we get 3 75/100. Now let's determine the sign. Both numbers are negative, so the answer is -3 75/100. This time we have -4 8/10 plus +2 15/100. The signs are different, so we'll need to subtract. Adding a 0 to 4 8/10 will make the subtraction easier, and we get 2 65/100. And the last step again is to determine the sign. -4 8/10 has a greater absolute value than +2 15/100. So the answer is -2 65/100. Now let's see some math in action. A school fundraiser had a pretty up and down week. They lost $45 on Monday, made $80 on Tuesday, lost $20 on Wednesday, and made $35 on Thursday. At the end of the week, did the school fundraiser make a profit? Take a moment here to make a prediction. To find out, we'll need to add these losses and gains together. -45 plus +80 plus -20 plus +35. Even with rational numbers, order of operations still matters. Since this expression only has addition, we'll add from left to right. So first we'll add -45 to +80 to get +35. Moving left to right again, +35 plus -20 is +15. And now it's starting to look like the fundraiser will end up with a profit. But by how much? +15 plus +35 is +50. So they ended the week with a profit of $50. Was your earlier prediction correct? Nice work today. Now let's take it one step further. Head on over to mathdefined.com for the next video, where you'll get some more challenging practice problems with rational numbers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep math awesome.